Okay, and we go to the camera slot. Go expand. Let me in. Alright, so after some research, I have discovered that I need an adapter. So, kind of sucks, but that's okay. I gotta order it. It'll be here next week. I wish I would have paid closer attention to that. But now I know, so all of you guys know. Yeah, the only hitch at this point is just getting everything back together. What we're gonna do as a stopgap measure, just go ahead and plug this into the motherboard ARGB. Okay, so this white one is the one that will go to the Corsair. This one is the one that will go to the motherboard. We just have to find an open ARGB slot. I'm not 100% sure where they are. Kind of think they're at the top. J Rainbow. I think it might be the rainbow. The debug also reads out the temperature of the CPU, which is kind of fun. Okay, addressable RGB fan J Rainbow. Perfect. Addressable RGB strip J Rainbow. Again, this wasn't my preferred outcome for this, but this will at least let us know that the strip is working. Yeah, later on we'll be able to tuck this away more. I think for right now, let's just make sure it's working, and then I can start setting up the rest of my computer, installing a browser other than Microsoft Edge, for example, getting IQ software set up, making sure that that red display that's coming out here from my fans is not some horrible warning. Figure that all out later. All right. I know it's not a perfect view for you guys. You can at least see them displaying with the red cross pattern. Eventually my monitor should kick on, I don't know. Used to do this all the time back in the day. Just going to assume that I didn't jostle the connector loose. This is always the most fun thing about computers. You can set this to sync later on. Let's see. Color switch. Go for white for right now, and then I think You can sync it with the motherboard by holding it down, or we can just change it. Well, I suppose when I think about this out loud, I know that the motherboard's on, but I don't know that the graphics card is on. It's not spinning. It just barely started spinning. Am I just supposed to infer that it needed to be jostled ever so slightly? Doesn't fill me with hope and happiness. Oh, don't let your hair get caught in that. Yeah, it looks like the last one is not seated on all the way. Oh, I hate PCIe adapters into anything. Just stressful. We're gonna go for a full power off. These other stupid USB cables in here that are giving me the real ride of my life. Okay, yeah, just taking up as much slack as I can here. Just making sure these are all seated correctly. On top and on bottom. There we go. I felt that go in. It was literally during this process of saying to myself, oh man, the PCIe ones, you can really feel them go in and snap. And the 24 pin, you can't. Take back everything I just said. There is a blinking red LED on the graphics card. Let's see if we get that indicator again. There we go. I see no such linkage. The monitor just powered on. Oh. DisplayPort, no signal. Let's just do a little bit of. Not. Okay. I think that this is cable must be loose on the computer side. No. Well, actually, there's a. The right one. Where's the other display cable? CPU temps are reading. DisplayPort no signal. Beyond. Nope, there it goes. Okay, well it booted on there. Let's just make sure the graphics card works. Feck. Let's get this plugged into this one just so we can start troubleshooting in a little bit. Okay. Only guess is that like maybe these aren't seated in all the way. They somehow got jostled as we were taking them out. Oh, come on, man. Nope. Okay. Just see if it even gets a read on the graphics card. They all appear to be connected on this side. Checked and they're firmly seated on the graphics card side. The only other thing I could think is to swap this one in, but these are the exact same ones that were plugged into the card when it was working before. Oh my gosh. Get out of there. Accept. That's fine. speed is running nice and low. Oh, that jumped up for half a second. Graphics. Intel graphics. Not the best. I'm just gonna have to troubleshoot this on my own, friends. I'm not sure what's going on, and part that I care most about is not working, and that's a little frustrating. I really hope I don't have to get like a replacement Strimer cable, but it seems like that is a distinct possibility. I was getting like a debug LED on the graphics card, but I'm not getting that now. So I genuinely have no idea what's going on, but yeah, this is just gonna take me a little minute. All right. Well, thank you guys for joining. This kind of sucked, but we'll figure it out. Bye for now.